Hi, today I'm going to talk about achieving excellence in business. When talking about business, who doesn't want to be excellent at what they're doing? Everybody wants to be the best. And when talking about the best, when I'm asking someone what is to be excellent at what you're doing, the answer always going to be results. I'm going to get great results. From an early stage, we're accustomed to that when talking about being excellent, it's getting an A+ in the test. When opening a business, we think that being a good business means that a business is a prosperous business. Sad reality is that most small businesses worldwide are in a survival mode rather than being excellent. The reason for that are two. A, our motivation goes down whenever we judge ourselves by the results. The second is, most small businesses have no plan how to get there. When you've got no plan, the chances of us getting there is slim. The solution is, the value that I'm calling being excellent is actually not the results, it's actually comprised of two separate definitions. The first one is do and correct till you get to the goal. When I'm talking about being excellent, excellent is a value that actually causes you to be more motivated. It is comprised of two definitions. The first one is doing correct till you get to your goal. The reason that this is being excellent is that most people start to do something, and the minute they fail in doing something, they automatically stops. And what I'm talking about being excellent is continuing doing and correcting and never giving up. It's about being courageous, about being daring. For that, the second definition of being excellent is actually getting out of your comfort zone. Getting out of your comfort zone, and this is being excellent because in order to create a breakthrough, in order to generate a breakthrough in your business, it's always going to be happening outside your comfort zone. And this is for a very simple reason. If it could happen in your comfort zone, it would have happened earlier. So if you really want to get a wonderful business, a prosperous business, you have to get out of your comfort zone. And when I'm talking about getting out of your comfort zone, this is not about jumping from a helicopter or doing bungee. When I'm talking about getting out of your comfort zone is, for instance, going to a potential customer that did not buy from you and ask him, why did you need to buy from me? Most people, once somebody didn't purchase their service, they say, well, I've got nothing to learn from this. And in my opinion, going and inquiring and asking someone, why didn't you buy from me? This is something that I can learn for the next time. Once I combine the two definitions, it drives me to continue and strive to continue and strive to increase all my actions in order to get to my goal. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and see what else I can help you in doing your business.